Today I have visited Blue Elephant factory in Jinan. I have seen their factory. Their facilities is one of the best manufacturing factories. They have a state-of-the-art manufacturing unit here, and I really enjoyed visiting around. They have shown me all the machines needed for woodworking, like beam saw, six-sided machine, and edge bender, all the machines required for wood manufacturing, furniture manufacturing, even the nesting machine is one of the best. I really enjoyed visiting with Joey and Mr. Sorry, Amber.
Yeah.
So it was a wonderful experience. So I will be definitely placing them the order once I go back to India and finalize. Thank you very much.